Good morning, dolls, and welcome to Little Gretchen's workshop. First of all, I'd like to thank you for joining in with me. This is my first video here on YouTube, introducing my channel. So I want to share with you what it's all about. First of all, I just want to tell you that I'm going to be doing a series video. I am finishing a rooming house, Dollhouse rooming house. It's actually already a work in progress, so I want you to follow along with me as I complete and do all the finishings to the house. I won't only be doing wallpapering and structural things like that, but I'm going to be creating and repurposing items to accessorize the house, to bring the house to life. I do make a lot of my miniatures. I repurpose miniatures and kind of recreate sometimes already existing miniatures. So definitely tune in and follow along with me as I go on the journey to complete the rooming house Dollhouse. I also, in a later video, I will introduce my original Dollhouse, which was my introduction to 12 scale miniatures. I'll be sharing with you my collection in there, the finishes I used to complete that house, and all that went into making it what it is today and bringing me to this portion of my journey with my passion and love for Dollhouse miniatures and miniatures in general. Okay, so let me stop talking and go on and get to the video of the tour of the Dollhouse, the rooming house Dollhouse, so you can kind of get an overview of what it's all about. But definitely like, subscribe, comment, even share, and also hit the notification bell so you'll know when I'm uploading a new video regarding the series of the rooming house Dollhouse. Okay, come on, let's get to the tour. Okay, here we are on the first room of the tour. This is more or less like the cafe or the eatery in the Dollhouse. The second room is going to be more of an entertainment room or music room. We'll have like a piano and saxophone and other musical instruments. Real cozy little area there. Okay, this is more of a breakfast room that leads to a pantry. And this is the kitchen. I think I should turn on the light just so you can see a little bit better in here. I had started finishing this room, did the floor, the wallpaper, the beadboard. Okay, there's the light. Okay, so I've got quite a bit of work to do in here. Let me move the dolls. Yeah, so you can see. Sorry, ladies, let me move them out of the way. Okay, so you can see there's a cabinet in the back that I made. Made that by hand, my own design. It's a two-piece unit. I'm going to mount the top part to the wall, fill it with all kinds of things for the kitchen. But I can definitely do a tutorial on that to show you how I made that in a later time. Got newlyweds up in the room. It's a work in progress, but I have wallpapered it and installed the floors. This is a back hallway. I did modify that staircase and make the understair closet. Okay, this is the children's room. I made those two beds. I can definitely show you how I did that. It's the ladies here in the nursery caring for the babies or the children for the residents of the rooming house. Now this is the roof. I shingled that. I laid all of those shingles and stained it that really dark tone because I wanted the house to look really old. The outside, I did it in sort of a field stone effect with egg cartons. Painted the stones, roughed them up, grouted them, yeah, and really distressed them a lot. Wanted the house to look really, really old. Okay, now the back side of the house, I've got two dormers here. Okay, two dormers on the back. I'll show you that shortly, but just to step back and give you a broad view of how big this project is. So a lot of videos coming up to complete this place. All right, so this is the dining room. Those are pieces that I purchased specifically for this project. I actually did that floor, and I can show you how I did that at a later time. That's kind of the back pantry area to the kitchen and breakfast room. Okay, this is another hallway which leads around to the lobby. People having a conversation there in the hallway. And there's a conference that appears to be going on here in the lobby as well. So yeah, lobby is raw. I haven't done anything to the lobby at all. So lots of work to be done there. Now this is the upstairs bedroom that I've started, but I've been just collecting and storing furniture I bought for this project. Another hallway, bathroom under construction, another bedroom under construction, back hallway. Quite a few things done. I still need to get the baseboards in. Another bedroom. And that's a little ladder that goes up to the attic. So let's peek up there to see the attic, okay? All right, so again, another space to be decorated, another bedroom. Okay, let's go to the other side where the dormer is. Got a storage area there, so it's going to be like a big closet. And this is going to be probably the boys' room. That's right above the nursery. So yeah, that's quite a bit of work. So you can kind of see how rugged the walls are. The house is older, lot of work to be done here. So I just want you to follow along with me, come along on this journey. Like, subscribe, comment, even share, and hit that notification bell so you'll be alerted when I upload new videos about this series about the rooming house, Dollhouse. Thank you so much for watching Little Gretchen's workshop. Talk to you soon, dolls. Bye-bye.